This is NAB Show Live.
I'm Ryan Salazar, your host of NAB Show Live, and today we have Tom Lithgow, product manager at Bluefish444. How you doing, Tom?
Very good, thank you, Ryan.
Nice to be with you. The last time I saw you was in Singapore, actually, just about 7-8 months ago. Great time seeing you, and you guys make great products. So for somebody that doesn't know what Bluefish444 is and what you guys do, go ahead, tell us.
Sure. So Bluefish are a manufacturer of video interfaces. So we have STI, HDMI video interface cards that go into workstation computers and servers. So they look something like this, and they're used across the industry to ingest and output professional video signals that are then processed, graphics applied, captured down to industry standard video codecs and that kind of thing. So yeah, we're that interface between the live feeds and the broadcast.
All right, so what is the focus for the 2019 NAB show?
Sure. So Bluefish have been working really hard to bring our Chronos product to market. So the card that I showed just before is the Epoch range. That's the products that are supporting 3G SDI up to 3 channels on the Neutron product. The Chronos range will bump that up to 8 channels of 3G SDI to bring 4K input and output video workflows to the industry. So you'll be able to capture 4K SDI, process that video, and then output that back to the next piece of equipment down the chain.
So when it relates to Bluefish444, what specific trends do you see with the M&E industry that relate to you guys?
Sure. So yeah, there's been a lot of activity within this sector. We've had 4K, we've had HDR, SDR, we've now had video over IP. So there's a lot of change in the industry, and for Bluefish, what we can see happening over the last 12 months or so is that some of those technologies are really finding their base now. So 4K is really is found its place and cemented its place for different workflows for deliverables like Netflix and online streaming platforms, as well as some broadcasters over satellite and the internet, and obviously for cinematic distribution. So 4K is there. That's found its place, and HDR is now starting to find its place as well. IP has for a lot of customers and for a lot of industry partners been exploratory, so R&D to find where that fits into the market. And like I said, that's really now starting to find its place in the real market, in the real world.
Excellent. All right. So lastly, what can visitors expect to see when they come visit you guys at the 2019 NAB show?
Sure. So yeah, we'll be demonstrating the Chronos video card. So that'll be outputting both 4K HDR and 4K SDR simultaneously from one of our developer partners products, which is called Marquise Ice. Ice is a QC player for IMF and DCP, so that will be used for quality control before a package is sent over to someone like Netflix or any of the other platforms. So that'll be a demonstration that we'll be giving on our stand at NAB. We'll also be showing a output from a very popular rendering engine, which I can't name at the moment, but we'll be outputting from a graphics engine and processing that video in real time, applying graphics overlays like tickers and names over the top. So yeah, that'll be a couple of the demonstrations that we'll have at NAB show. So we'd love to see some people to come along and check out what we've got to show.
Wonderful. All right, so lastly, the most important question that I ask in any of these interviews, when you're in Las Vegas, and I know you've been there many times, what do you like to hit at after hours or even before you go? So maybe a restaurant, a club, something like that. I like Beauty and Essex, by the way. Really cool place at the Cosmopolitan. I like to hang out there. How about you?
Okay, so after the setup for the trade exhibition and for the long days that we have, I actually do like to get home to the hotel and hit the bed. But apart from that, when we do go out, which we do, we go out with our partners and our customers. We probably the most enjoyable is at the end of the show. When the show is finished and it's all wrapped up, we actually go down, try and find just like a punk bar that we tend to visit with the Bluefish team. And we all get together and we'll let our hair down.
Excellent. All right, South Lower Hall, that's SL9021, SL9021 with Tom Lithgow, product manager at Bluefish444. We're going to see you at the 2019 NAB show.
Thanks very much.